Kalonji Nigella seeds. Kalonji, also known as Nigella seeds or black cumin, are tiny black seeds with a strong aroma and slightly bitter taste. These seeds come from Nigella sativa plant, which is native to Western Asia. Kalonji seeds have been used for centuries in traditional medicine for their various health benefits. History of Kalonji Nigella seeds. Ancient origins. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine system like Ayurveda and Unani. Historical references. It is mentioned in ancient Egyptian text and the seeds were found in the tomb of Tutankhamun. Traditional medicine. It is mentioned in the ancient Greek, Roman, and Islamic medical texts for its medicinal properties. Culinary use. They add a unique flavor and aroma to dishes. Cultural significance. It is mentioned in religious texts, and Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is believed to have recommended it as a remedy for various ailments. The benefits of Kalonji or Nigella seeds is as follows. Anti-inflammatory properties. Kalonji, also known as Nigella seeds, contains compounds like thioquinone, which have a potent anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can help reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate symptoms of various inflammatory conditions. Antioxidant rich. Nigella seeds are a good source of antioxidants like flavonoids and carotenoids. Antioxidants help protect cell from damage caused by free radicals, which can heal several ailments and boost cell regeneration and slow down the process of aging. Immune system support. According to several studies, the compounds in Nigella seeds have been shown to have immunomodulatory effects, helping to regulate and strengthen the immune system. They may assist the body in defending against infections. Asthma and respiratory health. Nigella seeds have been used in traditional medicine for respiratory conditions. They may help with asthma symptoms due to anti-inflammatory and bronchodilatory properties. However, more research is still needed in this subject. Gastrointestinal health. Nigella seeds are often used to promote digestive health. They can help alleviate symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and gas. The seeds may also have mild antibacterial properties, which can be beneficial for gut health. While Kalonji has a rich historical background, it is important to note that scientific research is ongoing to explore its potential health benefits and validate its traditional uses. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll continue to bring you valuable insights and tips to help a happier and healthier life. Take care of yourself and see you next time on Sharjah Health Matters.